Who's that doing that? Hiya, old fogies. Old fogey. Show you my shed life. This is, people ask me how I can work on this size workbench. You're not big enough? Take away half from my belly, so it works out about that much. It's all work, innit? It's all work. Right, I had to shut you off because I went through a fit of sneezing, because that's what happens when you clean up. See? See what happens? Phew. Now in here is big wire, which is a lot less than when I got it. I think I had this given to me, yeah, but I had to buy one the other day for the works, this size, for the big welder. 22 quid. It's not bad, is it? Not bad when you come across where the fuck you put that? I don't fucking know. Okay, now that's the trouble with cleaning up as well. You can't fucking find out. You know, these ones, fucking stupid, complete waste of fucking time. Alright, if you only like weld once a fucking year. It's me bell end. So we need something in there. It goes down there, down there, down there, into the lathe. Right, we're almost ready. There's a big spool. It goes down there, around a brassy, up onto the lathe. Now, obviously, have your lathe on a low gear. I stand by here and I can put my hand on there and act as a brake, because we don't want it going too fucking mad. Alright? Right. Let me put you back over there and we'll switch the fucker on. Stop your swearing, Rob. Okay, sorry. Without getting your fingers anywhere they shouldn't be. I let go because I didn't know what was going to be on the end, you know what I mean? If they did an hook, it might have come straight through and tore up on my hand here a bit. So I didn't think I would have done that, but that's good. I don't mind whatsoever. We've completely used the spool. I do know a lot of people would does this, so it's not a one-off. There's a lot of people doing it. You get that much about 6 times. So you mustn't complain. I let it go around that tight corner there. It seems to take some of the spring out, because sometimes you let go and all this would. I've seen people actually build a framework above the welder to take that size. Quite easy to do, as you obviously know. It's just a pulley or to get it going in the right direction. So that's another way around it. There's this. I don't know what these cost now, but I'd reckon you'd probably get 50 off that. So that's 20 odd pound. I don't know what that costs. So tell me what that costs for the, and it'll be cheaper to buy that and live dangerous. Live dangerous, man. Live dangerous. I can't believe how many people have nightmares about people with dirty sheds. Dad used to say people with clean sheds didn't do any work. So I put on my dress and had a quick whip around. So I can't wait to get it dirty again. Oh, that's the way I tell them. My precious.